Pass the Florida Real Estate Exam, Part 1 of 20, the real estate business. 1%. Another blessed day in South Florida. I'm Getchin Cherry, founder of Homestead Realty. As always, I thank you for watching and your continued support. And if this is your first time to this channel, I welcome you and I thank you for watching. As well, if you would like to be notified when I post new videos, please subscribe and click on the bell. In this episode of Let's Talk Real Estate, I will go over 20 questions, both fill in the blanks and multiple choice questions to help you pass your real estate exam. Why the fill in the blank questions? Well, keep in mind, the state exam is very specific. So therefore, you must know, you should know the material code. So I believe it would be beneficial to get you into the mindset of filling in the blanks so you understand the question. I want you to understand every question, every multiple choice question is giving to you. The answer is giving. The answer is in front of you in the answer choices, but more importantly, the answer is in the question itself. So why do I say that? It is important to understand. Always make sure you understand what you are being asked. If you understand the question, then the answer is sticking out like a sore thumb. And I will help you understand that process. And remember, I post on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1 reads, a contractor who builds on his or her own lot in hope of finding a purchaser upon completion of the building is building on blank. Well, that is referred to as building on speculations or specs. This is, in essence, a person who builds and then will market the property with the public to sell later on. Number two, one type of residential sale transaction involves the sale of any improved residential property of blank units or less. Well, the answer is 4. If you recall, 4-4-10, if the property is located in a location where it is zoned for 4 units or less, whether it's improved or unimproved land, it is treated as a residential sale. Likewise, if the property is, for example, an agricultural land, if it is 10 acres or less, we also treat it as residential sale. Similarly, if it's a business that has the interest of 4 units or less, that is also treated as a residential sale. Number 3, the term blank is a registered trademark of the National Association of Realtors and may be used only by members of the organization. The answer is Realtor. Yes, if you are a member of Realtor, you can use the term. If you are a member of if you are a member of NAR, you can use the term Realtor. Well, pretty much if you join a brokerage and your particular brokerage is a member of NAR, you are also required to become a member, or you automatically become a member. Number 4, property management has grown as a service of real estate primarily because of an increase in blank. That is absentee ownership. Yes, absentee ownership simply means people who don't live in the geographical area where the property is located, well, they'll hire a property manager to manage the property for them. Number 5, an estimate of value of property developed by a real estate licensee for use of listing or selling property is known as blank. That is comparative market analysis. As a real estate agent, we do evaluate properties. While we do not call them appraisal, we call them comparative market analysis, also known as CMA, and we also do what's called BPO, which is a broker's price opinion. Again, BPO. Number 6, after completion of construction of a subdivision, the streets, sidewalks, and common areas are frequently conveyed to the city or county in a process called blank. Well, that process is called dedication. And the word convey transfers. It transfers. So if you're a developer, after a developer builds a community, well, the developer is not going to hang around forever to maintain the property, but the owner of the individual units will be paying property taxes. So therefore, the government will be collecting taxes, the city or the county will be collecting taxes, and they will be responsible to provide maintenance for streets, sidewalks, and the common area. So the developer would transfer or convey or transfer ownership to the city. That process is called dedication. Now, number 7, appraising is the process of developing an blank of value. Well, that is pretty simple. Appraising is an opinion of value. We, as real estate agents, we can give an opinion of value, as well as there are other individuals who are licensed to be appraisers. There are licensed appraisers and they do appraising. Number 8, valuing a business requires an analysis of blank, blank, and blank, blank. Well, valuing a business requires the analysis of balance sheets and financial statements. If you are going to be involved in business brokerages, you need to learn how to understand, read balance sheets and financial statements. Number 9, the 3 areas of expertise real estate licensees bring to the transaction relate to blank, 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 and blank. Well, those are property transfer, valuation, and marketing. Imagine, as a real estate agent, the first thing, if a person is hiring a brokerage to sell their home, the first thing they'll ask is, how much is my property worth? So therefore, as a real estate agent, you need to understand how to evaluate. So valuation is to come up with an estimate of value. Likewise, you need to understand how to market the property. So you need to have expertise in marketing so you can get as many eyes on the property as possible. And of course, property transfer, since you are selling or helping someone buying a home, you need to understand the process to transfer the property to the new person, to the new owner. Number 10, the category of construction that applies when a property owner employs a contractor to build according to their individual specification is called blank, blank. Well, that is called custom building. It's just like similarly, if you were to go to a tailor and you ask her or him to build you a garment or to fabricate, to make you a dress or a suit, well, that individual will be building it to your specification, your size. So that is a custom made item. So same thing with a property. When it's custom built to your specification, it's called custom building. Number 11, what does the term farming refer to in real estate? Well, we covered that earlier. Farming is specializing in one geographical area, a city, a county, or even a single building. So in that case, if you are trying to become an expert in one specific geographical area, we call that process farming. Number 12, what is the purpose of the National Association of Realtors? Well, here in the US, the National Realtors, or NAR, does many things. But in the United States in particular, unlike some other countries where you have to be a native to purchase real estate in certain countries, where here in the US, that is not the case. NAR helps preserve the right of individuals to buy real estate through an open exchange of information. So that is one of the services NAR does. They do that by lobbying Congress. Number 13, what does the designation of realtor signify? Well, the designation of realtor signify that you are a member of NAR. And again, if you are joining a brokerage and that brokerage is a member of NAR, you will automatically become a member of NAR. Number 14, a developer contracts to build a home according to the buyer's specification. This is an example of which type of building. Well, again, if the person hires someone to build based on their specification, that is called custom building. Number 15, Which of the following best describes licensees who are involved in business opportunity brokerages? Well, we already discussed that. They must have an understanding of financial statements and be able to understand balance sheets. Number 15, that was number 15. Number 16, real estate licensees are expected to be knowledgeable in all of the following areas except, well, this is an except question. Well, earlier we said a real estate agent must be able to do marketing, valuation, and be able to understand the property transfer process. So therefore, that would be D. D will be the except. As a real estate agent, we do not have to have any accounting skills. Number 17, all realtors are licensees, but not all licensees are realtors. What must a licensee do to become a realtor? Well, we already discussed that. Become a member of NAR, or become a member of a local association that is a member of NAR. So therefore, you will be a member of NAR. Number 18, what is the primary reason for the increased need for property managers over recent years? Well, we already addressed that. That is absentee ownership. Number 19, what is the term used to refer to real estate licensees who is specializing in a specific or a certain geographical area? Well, the answer is farming. We already discussed that. Number 20, how is an appraiser compensated? Well, unlike a real estate agent, an appraiser is paid based on the time and difficulty involved in the real estate that they are evaluating. Again, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. And I thank you for watching. And please keep in mind, I will post every Tuesday and Thursday. So please keep an eye for these videos as I post them. Thank you and have a blessed and productive day.